to Control Panel 1. This is marked with a label in the top right corner, CO1. Turn the key to enable. Press the silence button. The display will show user menu. Press the up arrow key once. Press the silence button until you see Change Time. You will see the cursor flashing on the hour. Use the up or down arrows to change the time. Press Printer key to move to minutes. Then change the minutes using the up or down arrows. Press the silence button to save. Exit the user menu by turning the key to day or night.